How's it going? I'm Jared Gillis. Today, we're going to be looking at something that RVers have been complaining about for quite some time, and it's RV furniture. The peeling, the flaking, the problems with RV furniture that's out there. Today, we're going to look at what's the problem, what are the solutions, and what's changing in the industry, because there's some good stuff coming out. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. So now to start off, I've been digging into this for a while because we haven't been happy with our RVing furniture. It definitely hasn't held up over the past 5 years the way that we had hoped that it would hold up. So for me, I broke this down into 3 categories. Number 1, I wanted to look at the problem. What works for RVing furniture? What doesn't work for RVing furniture? Number 2, what are the solutions looking at that problem? Number 3, what is available for the RVing industry? Because I think there's some good news for the RV industry moving forward to where hopefully we see a whole lot less of this. So let's get into the problem. So for me, the problem can be isolated to the finish of the RVing furniture is where my problem comes in. This couch has been extremely comfortable. So the finish has not been good, but the comfort level has never gone down on this furniture. And the mechanics of the couch, I think, are definitely a win for the function and space inside the RV. So for us, we have 3 recliners right here in a row, which is great. And there are other options out there if you needed this to be a sleeper, but 3 recliners that are tight up against the wall on a slide, and you're still able to fully recline here is a great use of space in the RV and adds great comfort. So the upholstery needs improvement, but the mechanics and comfort is a win. So that brought me to the solutions that I was looking for. Number 1, I was looking for a cover, but I didn't want to fight a cover all the time because it's not going to be 100% form-fitting on a couch, and I don't like that feeling of fighting a cover. So then I thought, why don't we patch some of the areas that are going bad? Finding a material that was going to look identical to what we had wasn't going to be a real possibility. So I ordered some stuff that was, I thought, going to be pretty close, but the more I started looking at it, even just trying to apply a little bit of it, I could see that we would be fighting that and it would start peeling up. And looking at the couch overall, you can see a lot more areas that are getting ready to fall apart. So really, I needed to find a solution that was just going to be a better material and fabric while keeping that comfort and mechanisms. And we ruled out reupholstery pretty quick because of price. And that's where I found out that there's an update to furniture for the RV industry that should last a lot longer. This is a new line of furniture. This is the Thomas Payne Signature, and it comes with the new PolyHyde finish that's on it, which gives you a 7-year warranty, which that's what we've been waiting for. We didn't want to just swap out our couch with something that's going to do it again in another year or 2. We wanted something that was going to last a lot longer. And for full transparency, they did reach out to me and they did send me this couch to do a video on, but they're not the first company to reach out to me to do a video on furniture. And I asked them the same question that I asked previously is, what is different? How long is this material going to last and what is the warranty? And this time I got a different answer, which is why I'm doing a video on it, because I think this is a great update for the RV industry. Seeing a higher quality material, the place that RV furniture has typically failed, get this upgrade so that it's going to last longer is fantastic. Because it's not difficult to find out 1, 2, or 3-year warranty on RVing furniture, but oftentimes the higher warranties that you see out there will not refer to the material that's used, the part that usually fails, but the structural components of that furniture, which doesn't do you much good if the actual material is going to be the thing that wears out. So having that increase in quality in the material with the extended warranty is something I really wanted to put to the test. Let's start the timer on this and see how well it does long term. So far, I'm impressed with the finish. You can definitely feel a difference from what we had on the other one, but I'll definitely keep you updated on how well this wears. Now, the second thing was the selection, because it's hard to find furniture for inside the RV to fit your exact space or features, whether you wanted recliners, or you wanted charging stations, or center consoles, or sleeper sofas. You have the ability to pretty much build the furniture for your space, for your needs, for what you're looking for. So I believe this might be the first time for the industry to have this aftermarket option available to us with that amount of selection, with the increased quality in the material. That combination right there is what a lot of people, I think, are looking for. Let me give you a quick example of how you can build and customize exactly what you want, because you pick the individual pieces. You can select your left, you can select your right, you can select what you want in the middle, or if you have room for a center console also, or if you needed a bed in that situation, they have the click back sofa. So you could use it as a sofa, you could use it as a lounge, and you could also use it as a bed. It has multiple positions. For us, we kept it pretty simple with the 3-seater recliner sofa, with the middle being able to be a center console for drinks if we wanted to. It works out pretty good for our family. But beyond that, they have multiple levels depending on what you're wanting. So the technology, the charging, the massage features built in, the layers of customization is a lot deeper than just color. And as always, links are going to be down in the description. You can go straight to their website, check out all of the selection that's available there. And also eTrailer's carrying it now, which they've been a sponsor of the channel for a long time. And it just shows how big of a selection of RVing gear that they have available on their site. So it's easy to go through there and look at the features that are packed in, the colors that are available, and what it would cost to build your unit. When we were selecting ours, it came out to $1,400 to $1,500, but there's lots of options that are available. That's kind of right in the middle of the road. This is really an update or an upgrade that we've been needing for the RV industry for quite some time. To have a higher quality product that's going to last longer, that's exactly what RVers want. We want to phase out or get rid of the products that aren't going to last as long, the peeling, the flaking. We want something that's going to be able to last and be able to use it when we go out. And this is something that I love about RVing is, yes, you get to go to travel to amazing places, get to go outdoors and enjoy all that, but you get to bring the comfort and the conveniences of home along with you and have something comfortable to be able to relax on, be able to watch TV on a cold day or when it's raining or snowing outside. That's one of the things that makes RVing so amazing is you have the flexibility to do so many different things and still be comfortable while doing it. And for me, I love to see and highlight companies that are taking the next step and improving products that are out there that RVers use all the time. And this is definitely something that needed to be updated in the RV industry so that it can last longer, because you don't want your RV furniture falling apart. And I think this is going to be a great solution for that. So whether you're buying an RV and you have this furniture in there, or your furniture is worn out, tired, and flaking and peeling, and you wanted to upgrade to something different that's not going to do the exact same thing, then we now have an option out there that's available. So glad to see this update come for the RV community. So I think that's going to do it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope that it helped you out in some ways. Seeing some of the new changes to the RV industry that's available for aftermarket can help you in some way, and the selections that we have available to us. So as always, if we don't see you on the road, hopefully we will see you next video. Take care.